Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best time to apply for PayPal working capital. When I first started looking into business funding, this option immediately caught my eye because of how straightforward it seemed. The question of the best time isn't just about what PayPal tells you. It's about when it makes the most sense for your business, based on your sales. From my experience, the absolute best time is when your PayPal sales volume is consistently high. Why? Because PayPal working capital is primarily based on your business's sales history through their platform, not your personal credit score. Think of it this way. Their loan offer and the fixed fee are calculated based on what they've seen you make. If you just come off your biggest quarter or month of sales, that history tells them you can handle a higher loan amount and that the repayment will be consistent. I've had friends apply during a slow season and get a smaller offer than they were hoping for, even though they knew a busy period was right around the corner. When I applied, I made sure it was right after the holiday rush, my highest sales period of the year. My approval amount was significantly higher than what I had previously estimated. The official minimum eligibility requirements are important, and you must meet these first. You need to have a PayPal business or Premier account for at least 90 days. You must process at least a minimum amount of annual PayPal sales, currently $20,000 for a Premier account or $15,000 for a business account in the last 12 months. But meeting the minimum isn't the best time. The best time is when your sales are far above that minimum. Here's my actionable tip. Plan your application around a projected growth or expansion. Don't just apply because you qualify. Apply when you have a clear use for money, like buying a bulk of inventory to cover your upcoming peak season, or investing in a major marketing campaign that you know will drive sales. The faster you make those new sales, the faster you pay back the loan, and the sooner you become eligible to apply for your next one. So, to summarize, don't wait for a cash crisis. Apply when you're already successful and can use the capital to supercharge that success. Use your strongest sales data to get the best terms possible. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.